was gonna film this on my camera, like actual camera, but it's just easier. I feel like this is fine enough quality. Anyway, today's been a day. Today's been one of those days where you thought it was gonna be something and it's not. So let's try to get it back on track to what I wanted it to be, which was productive. So today we're gonna make the first segment into beauty things on my channel. This playlist on my channel that is going to be for like makeup and beauty things. Makeup, hair, nails. Today we're gonna do nails. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I do my fake acrylic nails. And we're already off to a great start because my glue exploded all over my fucking shit. So I have like this white like filmy stuff. Like that's not dirt, like that's like dried glue powder, and it was on like my tweezers and it got onto like my clippers. So it's okay, it's okay. You know what, let's just start. So here's your glue. This is a bag of fake nails I already got opened, and this is a it's like you see it spinning. It's like a nail file thing. All of these I got at Dollar Tree, so $1, literally $1. This is Live Love polish, just plain black. This is also Live Love polish, sparkle silver. I'm not sure which one I'm gonna do yet. So yeah, and those are just my nail clippers. So this is everything that you need to give yourself some Dollar Tree acrylic nails. So yeah. Hello. So what we're going to do is put the nails on, like size them, figure out the sizes for each, and then we're gonna trim them, but we're not gonna glue them down yet. Don't be like me. I made a mistake the first time and I put them on and then tried to trim them. That wasn't fun. It was hard, it was messy, it just wasn't a good time. So we're gonna first get our sizes and then we're gonna trim them, and then we'll glue and color and all that grand stuff. Okay? Okay. So now that we've done that part, This is what they look like when they're on. You see how it like doesn't go all the way down. It leaves that part up. That's that Dollar Tree aspect you're just never gonna get rid of. At least not with these. Ugh. Okay, now we go ahead and we use the smaller clipper for shaping more defined shapes. If any of these aren't the shape you want them to be. Now's the time. Clip now for hold your piece. Just gonna lightly smooth out the edges. There you go. The finished, okay, product. I love doing little alternating colors and stuff. Trying to be festive. Yeah, I hope you guys found this video helpful. You can be beautiful on a budget, because this whole thing ain't gonna cost you more than $5. Dollar Tree. If you don't live in America and you don't have Dollar Tree, I can't help you. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and have a good day, my loves.